Mark from Two Dog RC, bringing you a unboxing video of the Nighthawk Pro 280 from Emax. We just got these in yesterday and finally got a chance to grab one and make this video for you guys. And a lot of people are excited. As you can see, it's well packaged. Got a little handle, little carrying case. This one I got because the tape kind of messed up the box, so couldn't use it for retail, so I'm gonna have to keep this one myself. We got all our specs back here. Emax did a really good job making this box. It's sturdy, durable, easy to ship. So that's what you get when you open the box, along with an instruction manual, which I left over there, my bad. So, got some bags. Let's get to the ship. Okay. Take this box out. Alright, there's your ship. So why is this a great ship? Well, it comes already built. You've got the motors installed on tilted motor mounts, video transmitter, 200 milliwatts or 25 switchable. It's 32 channels. You got a built-in FPV camera. Your flight controller is built into the circuit board right here. So it's ready to go, and an LED bar. This is very bright. So basically, boom, put your propellers and your receiver on, you're good to go. In these little bags, got lots of little wires. Here is your receiver wire. So if you're running a normal receiver, like a Spectrum or something, you're going to plug this into channel 1, and then these all accordingly. If you're running a FreeSky system and you run the D4R receiver, all you need is this wire right here. So you plug this into the side, you plug this into channel 1, put a jumper between the signal pins of 3 and 4, and that is set. The other wires you get in here are, this is for programming and upgrading the board. Don't worry about that, and the motors. You can do stuff there. Same thing with this one. And then you get 2 wires. Actually, I left one out. This one is for the VBAT to sense the battery voltage. Not exactly sure how we're going to wire this one in. I have to do some more research with Emax on this one. You also get a similar one of these that plugs in over here on the side for the buzzer. We're trying to get the buzzers included in future versions, but right now just buy a 5-volt buzzer off online and plug it right into there. And what that does is you can set your little battery alerts and it'll beep when you change your modes. Okay, so that's bag. Let's see what's bag C. Bag A gives you 645 propellers. Seem pretty thick. Probably, I don't know what kind they are, but they're pretty thick. B, you get an Emax battery strap. It's a Velcro and an extra piece of the wiring. The motors here are connected to the frame via this little plug right here. Speed controllers are all built into this board, so it just plugs them in. It's a real nice system, easy to replace the wires and leads and stuff. You just swap them out, you'll be good to go. So they gave you another piece of these. If you look here in the frame, the little cutouts here, the arrows, for which way the motors are supposed to rotate. It's kind of a neat way just to help you remember which way it's supposed to go. And that's that bag. Now we got more stuff in more bags. Right here is another camera mount, a tilted camera mount. So not only do you have 10 degrees on your motors, you can get another, looks like about 10 degrees or so, off the camera by mounting this in there. I'll probably mount that in there. I like to fly fast, so that'd be really neat to see another 20 degrees of tilt on the ship. This is a great racing ship. I really can't believe the price for this. Here's our antenna. It goes on the back. Make sure you have your antenna on every time you power up your ship. You got your Mobius mount. It goes right on the top there. Look at all these goodies you get. Here's a bag of extra parts. Here is your antenna mount. If you're using a little whip antenna like a FreeSky or something, you've got a little antenna mount that snaps together, and I believe it snaps into this port right here. I think. I haven't gotten quite that far yet. And then here's your cable to interact with your computer so that you can program it. And that's basically your unboxing video. I've made some setup videos on how to program it already. You can see those online on our YouTube channel, Two Dog RC. On the back here, This is your filter for the video. The camera wire actually comes out, comes all the way down here and into here. So if you wanted to swap this camera out with something different, that's pretty easy to do. And then you can just plug it in here, as well as a video transmitter just plugs in the back as well. It's got dip switches for the channels, and then on the side is a switch to turn it from 20 to 200 milliwatts. Also, you've got two switches right here. The one on the right turns on your LEDs, the one on the left turns on your video transmitter. So it's real nice to just have those off while you're working on the bench, and you're good to go. Again, you can pick one of these up at 2dogrc.com.